In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can spell check in Canva. Now, let me bring something that is obvious. There is no spell checking feature in Canva, at least not yet. But there are a few alternatives that we can try to make sure that our text in our Canva design are accurate and there is no spelling or grammatical error. So here is how you can do that. So I have this simple design, and there is this word that's supposed to be winter, but the last letter is missing, and that's why you can see there is a underline, there is a red line under this text, and that's just a signal from the browser to let the user know that there is something wrong with this text and I supposed to fix it. So this underline, sorry, not underline, this red line is actually created by the browser, not Canva. And if you're using Chrome, you can go to this setting, this menu, and then click settings, and then you have to navigate to languages, and you will see that now you can enable basic spell check right here, and then you can select the language. If you have multiple language abilities, then you want to add another language to your browser. So this thing is happening in the browser. You can also enable enhanced spell check, which will make sure that the text is even more accurate, but usually basic spell check is good enough. Another option you can try is using a Chrome extension like Grammarly. I think it's very popular, although it's not the best option. I think it's kind of overkill for a Canva design. But you can also try an AI feature in Canva. So there is a magic write feature. You can click on it and you can click fix spelling, and it will suggest what is the supposed word of this letter. So right now it's actually not accurate, so we can try again. And yeah, that's just the reality of AI. Sometimes it's not getting the thing right, so we have to try again. Okay, it's still saying winter. Actually, I tried it before and it says winter correctly, so I don't know what's going on. So I guess I'm going to be sending a custom prompt. Change the or maybe fix the spelling. Let's see if this is going to be giving me the right answer. Okay, it's giving me the word winter, which is correct, and I can click replace to replace that word to winter. So there you go, some options you can try to spell check in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.